There are many computer programs called models. There are lots of different kinds of models, and computer programs can be one type. Okay, there are computer programs called models that predict how a hurricane will move in the coming days. Weather stations will look at many of these for each hurricane. In the two left diagrams here, down here and here, the dots show the daily location. The average of the predictions. So we have lots and lots of computer programs that are predicting the path of the hurricane, and this path here is the average of all of those. The dots show each day's location. They think that tomorrow it's going to be here, the next day it's going to be there, the next day here, and then there. The shaded regions around are the possible areas that might be affected. So this red line here is the average of all the predictions, but some of the predictions say it's going to go up this way, some predictions say it's going to go down that way. The shaded region is where any one of the computer programs thinks that maybe the hurricane will go. Shaded around it are the possible areas that might be affected because the hurricane will probably stray from the expected path or the average path a little bit here and there. Anybody in the shaded region may get hit by the hurricane. The shaded region gets bigger because weather forecasters are less certain. Number 4, it is important to note that the shaded region does not mean the storm is going to get bigger. We are not showing the size of the storm here. We're just showing the range of where it might go. The shaded region gets bigger because weather forecasters are less certain about the path several days from now, so the forecasters warn a larger area of people that they might get hit. So in the first couple days, they are pretty sure that the hurricane is going to be in this region here. But by the 4th or 5th day, they're not so sure where it's going to be, so they're going to warn a much larger area of the coast. In the right diagrams, here and here, in the right diagrams, each line is a prediction made by one model. Where the lines are all close together, the models agree that the hurricane will go on that path. So most of the models are saying that it's going to go this way. There's a couple models that say it's going to go straight north in this case, but most of them say it this way, so that's what the weather forecasters would probably forecast. Okay, so while you guys are in the back, we're going to do these 14 problems. You're going to do these in pairs. You're going to do a Google search, find the answer to the problem, and put it on one of the whiteboards. And then I will go around and I will check it off. I'll put a big check mark by the ones that are approved and they are correct. And you'll go around and you will get help from each other. You will see their answers and you will learn that way. This is called a jigsaw, where you break up a big learning task into smaller pieces. All right.